Hey folks, Tim Slade here from the eLearning Designers Academy. We just wrapped up week 1 of our 8-week Instructional Design Certificate Program. And here's what you missed. 8 weeks, 8 topics, 1 real-world project running through all of it. Week 1 came out swinging. We kicked things off with the question that stumps a lot of people new to the industry. What does an instructional designer actually do? So to answer that question, we looked at ID across 4 frames: as a practice, as a function, as a job, and as a skill set. Because you know what? Depending on where you sit, the work can look completely different. We also dug into why 2 people with the same job title can have completely different work, and why understanding the difference between a generalist and a specialist and a centralized team versus a decentralized team matters more than most people realize. From there, we got into ADDIE and SAM, not to memorize them, but to develop the judgment to know when to use them, when to adapt them, and when to do something entirely different. We also covered the big learning theories: behaviorism, cognitivism, and constructivism. That's a mouthful. And why they're showing up in your design decisions, whether you realize it or not. Then we talked about the learning curve and how every learner starts somewhere on the curve, moving from unconscious incompetence, where they don't even know what they don't know, through conscious incompetence and conscious competence, and eventually unconscious competence, where the skill becomes second nature. And that led us to, of course, adult learning theory. Why? Because, adults are busy, they're skeptical, and they need to know why something matters before they'll engage. Designing for that reality is where good instructional design actually begins. And finally, participants got their first look at the instructional design case study, the real-world client scenario they'll work through all 8 weeks. It's based around a messy training request, a complicated stakeholder situation, and no obvious right answer. Week 1 is where that journey begins. So, that's what happened this week. And honestly, we're just getting warmed up. So if you're watching this and thinking, gosh, I should be in this course, well, of course, you're right. Our Instructional Design Certificate Program is an 8-week live, virtually facilitated and hands-on experience designed for new instructional designers, career transitioners, and L&D teams who are ready to move past order taking and start building performance-based training. Inside the program, you get access to the Instructional Design Handbook, practical ways to apply AI to your instructional design work, and credit hours that count towards the ATD, APTD, and CPTD certifications. You'll also walk away with a portfolio-ready case study and an instructional design certificate to show for it all. Our next session is coming up and spots are limited, so head to the link down in the description to learn more and grab a seat. I hope to see you there.